that umpiring was a mess back then in Australia. That is where it sort of happened with Sunil Gavaskar, where he lost his cool. Dennis Lilly, Sunil Gavaskar hits him on the pad. Umpire is Rex Whitehead, I think. He raises his finger. And Sunil Gavaskar is like, no, I'm done. I am not taking this. ये और देखिए ये बात ये है कि शायद हम जो है हम उसको आइसोलेशन में देखते हैं कि वो एक डिसीजन से नाराज होकर निकल गए बट अगर आप उस जमाने के किसी भी क्रिकेटर के अकाउंट्स पढ़ेंगे ना आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इवन पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर्स दे वुड टेल यू that umpiring was a mess back then in Australia. That is where it sort of happened with Sunil Gavaskar, where he lost his cool. And of course, Dennis Lilly also had some words to say when he was, talking to the umpire and all. So that infuriated him more. Special बात ये है कि this is a very landmark wicket for Dennis Lilly because Richie Benaud at that point is the highest Australian wicket taker with I think 255 wickets, and this is the wicket with which he is surpassing. But yes, all this happens, and he also pulls Chetan Chauhan with him, and thankfully the team manager है Mr. Durrani. He tells them that no, listen, this cannot happen. You go back. Chetan Chauhan को बोलते हैं, and Chetan Chauhan is like, how do I deal with this? क्योंकि मेरा कैप्टन सुनील गावस्कर मुझे बोल रहा है, तो मैं कैसे ना